send SQL query to the database using JDBC. So after we create the connection, and we can create a statement, and we can call it as statement equal to connection.createStatement. Okay, so here we will have an empty statement. Okay, so nothing will happen, and but we can still use this one to send queries, okay, to the database by give the parameters to the execute update, or execute query. This is the one that we want to use today. Execute query, basically this need to send select statement, okay, to the database. Let's see, we'll select everything from the dish table. Okay, so it will give us ResultSet. Okay, all right. And this ResultSet is like a cursor. It will pointing to the very beginning of our query result. Okay, so in order to traverse through that, we can simply use a while loop. Okay, while rs.next. Okay, so then we can have an rs.get the column. Okay, so for each field we need to get it out. Let's see, I will just want to get out the name. Okay, so for each dish we have here, we'll get a name, okay, a category, and then price. So we have those columns, and if I just want to get the name out, I can just simply put this here. Since it's a while loop, so it will keep checking the result set. If we still have next, then the cursor will move one step downward. So here we can just simply assign, okay, a name to it, and then we just print out the name. Okay, so we run the query, and we'll see we get cheeseburger, bacon burger, veggie burger, and chicken burger. Okay, so everything is get out. Now if we want another field, okay, so instead of category, okay, and then we here will use the same name. So the name doesn't necessarily to be the same. Okay, we can just use C, for example, and then we can just simply plus, okay, C. All right, and just use a hyphen. Okay, so now you see we get more data. Okay, so if we want to get the price, okay, same idea. Now, because the price is a number, so we can just use a number, right? Float and price. Okay, and then we can just get price, because getString always gets string. So now if we want get float, we will use getFloat. Okay, so getFloat, and then we can run the code. Oh, we didn't print it out, sorry. So let's just copy this again, and then put the price here, and we run it again. Okay, so now you can see the numbers are printed out. Okay, so this is the very simple SQL query, and if you know the column ID, okay, or column number, you don't need to use the name. You can just simply use, like, 1, okay, for example, or 2. Okay, so this is the another way, but this is very dangerous because other than not like Java code, the index from 0, this thing index from 1. If I put 1 here, that means this is gonna be the first column, okay, of this. Is this not in this? I mean, this column ID is not from 0, it's from 1. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so then that's gonna be 2, 3, and 5. Okay, so in this case, I have to change it to 2 here. Okay, it's very interesting. Like, it's not normal, right? Okay, so this is the select using JDBC. Thank you.